order the following decimal numbers from least to greatest. So this means we're going to order these numbers here from least, which is smallest, right, to the greatest, which is obviously the largest. So this kind of question is all about place value, and we have to establish which one's the smallest and which one's the greatest, and so on, through understanding place value. So let's have a look at these numbers. So we've got 4.01, 10.4, 40.1, 40.01, 1.04, and 14.0. So now you can do this just by looking at them when you're really good, but if you're just learning, probably the best thing to do is to rewrite all these numbers in a column form, and you line up all the decimal points. So let's do that. So we've got 4.01, that's this guy, 10.4, we've got 40.1, we've got 40.01, we've got 1.04, and we've got 14.0. Okay, so now we've got them pretty much lined up. My writing isn't that clear, but in the tens place right here, and this is the units, this is the tenths, and this is the hundredths over here. Okay, so let's check this out. So the tenths, right? We've got a 1, a 4, a 4, and a 1. So which of those is the largest? Well, at this point, it's between this one and this one to be the largest. So we would go then to the next place value, and that's the units, and they both happen to be zeros, so they're still even. We get to the decimal points in both, great, and then we go to the next place value, which is the tenths. And here we can see with this one, there's a 1, but here there's a 0. So for sure, the largest is going to be 40.1. That's out, and we also now know that 40.01 is the second largest. And remember, we were left after the first question with two candidates which start with a 1 in the tens. So again, which one would be the biggest? We go to the next place value, which is the units, so it's a 0 there, but a 4 here. So this one must be next in terms of being the largest. So you can see I'm writing these backwards in terms of this is the greatest over here, and this is the least towards this end. So that one is next, and then 10.4 comes next, getting smaller and smaller as we go. And we're left at this point with 4.01 and 1.04. So if we go to the unit, the place value they share, they both start in the units. For this one here, 4.01, it's bigger than 1. 4 is bigger than 1, so 4.01 would be next. And the smallest number is 1.04. So the order is this, from least to greatest.